Welcome to CoreTigo's TigoBridge unboxing video. During the next few minutes, I'll be introducing you to the TigoBridge. The TigoBridge is an IO-Link wireless component that enables the communication of industrial sensors, actuators, and devices without the need for a wired cable connection to a master or gateway. As you can see, the TigoBridge has an IP67 industrial-grade housing with standard M12 connectors, LEDs, and a pairing button. This is the power LED. Here is the status LED. This is the power connector. It is a 5-pin male connector. And on the other side of it is the IO-Link connector. It is a 5-pin female connector. Each IO-Link wireless device has its own unique ID. The unique ID is comprised of 18 hexadecimal characters and can be read via the data matrix. This ID is important for identifying the specific IO-Link wireless device while pairing it to the system. It is recommended to take record of this ID. TigoBridge also includes a specifically designed internal antenna for optimal performance, which eliminates the need to connect it to an external antenna. The TigoBridge has two LEDs, power LED and status LED. The power LED illuminates in green to indicate that the bridge is powered up. The status LED alternates between 6 different colors. Blue indicates the TigoBridge is paired to the IO-Link wireless master. Magenta, the TigoBridge is unpaired. Green indicates an IO-Link device has successfully connected to the TigoBridge. Yellow indicates there is no IO-Link device connected to the TigoBridge or that the connected device is not supported. White indicates a wireless hardware error. Blinking green indicates that the TigoBridge is in firmware update mode. Now, let's start with powering up the TigoBridge. Make sure you have an 18 to 32 volt DC power supply with an M12 connector. Connect the power cable to the TigoBridge like this. The power LED will light up green. You can notice the TigoBridge is going through a reset process at this point. The status LED displays a red, green, blue color sequence during this process. Now, let's connect a sensor to the TigoBridge. I'll connect this IO-Link flow meter to the TigoBridge by directly connecting it to the bridge's M12 connector, or you could use an M12 cable. Once connection is established successfully, the status LED will alternate between magenta and green. There is no need to power up the sensor or device that are connected to the TigoBridge separately. The TigoBridge drives power directly to the sensor or device it is connected to. In order to configure the TigoBridge and pair it with an IO-Link wireless master, it is required to have the Tigo engine running on your PC. In the Tigo engine, click on the Scan button to search for unpaired devices in proximity of the Tigo master. After a few seconds, the TigoBridge will appear. Select the TigoBridge by its UID. Now select an available port on the master side of the screen and hit the pair button. Once the pairing process has successfully completed, the port mode will indicate operate. The TigoBridge status LED will alternate between blue and green. The TigoBridge can be mounted in a variety of options. It is recommended to use the cradle for mounting with tie wraps or screws. And finally, now that you're more acquainted with the TigoBridge, you can also watch this example application that leverages the TigoBridge for machine retrofit and condition monitoring.